Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're talking about the inventory for the Model Y. So as you can see right here, Tesla is really good at what it's doing because it's moving all of its inventory except for the 4 vehicles left. And look at this, all 4 vehicles right here. All of them are performance. And the savings you can see humongous, $7,720, $7,950. And then this one maxed out at $8,020. And then, actually this one's higher, $8,100 plus if you get the $500 referral code. If using my referral, that's $8,600 off. This is a 2025 vehicle, new right here, 2025. All of them are 2025. And check this out. If I were to buy, I would buy this one right here, guys. Reason being is because it actually has the tow package right there. That's on top of everything. That's like $1,000 right there. And check this out. I would get this one right now, guys. Get it before it's too late. If you're on the verge, on the edge of getting a Tesla, this is a performance model. Check this out. $37,000. New vehicle. $8,000. Stealth gray color. 21-inch wheel. This wheel looks really low, really sick, right? White and black. Premium interior, 5 seating, performance upgrade. That means you get the red calipers, you get the spoilers, you get the line underneath the dual motor, right? Check this out. Looks very nice. You get the 21-inch rim, and the best part about this, guys, is the 0 to 60. Check this out. 3.5 seconds, right? Top speed at 155, 277 miles per charge. Right, and you also qualify for $7,500 federal tax credit. So my advice is, if you really needed a Tesla, this is the time. And you don't care about the new model, the refresh model, because we know the refresh model is already out, and they're having the launch editions. You're paying a lot more, $12,000 to $15,000, right? But give it about a couple of weeks. I think they're gonna stop the launch series, and then you can start ordering like just the regular refresh model. But if you don't care about the refresh model, you don't like the refresh model, you want the saving, this is it. This is by far the best, top of the line right here, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding about buying Tesla, and again, don't forget to if you need any of the accessories, aftermarket accessory, I do have a lot of partners, affiliated links in the descriptions where you get 10% all the way up to 20% from EV Base, Last Fit, Tesla Studios, you name it, all bunch of them. All right. So, but other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.